In this video, I'm going to show you my top five tokens I think you should buy in July of 2024. My name is ALTBAE. I love crypto. No FOMO. Before I continue, I must let you know this is not financial advice. This is just an idea. But if you do decide to invest, um, only invest what you can afford to lose. And please do further research to decide if these tokens are right for you. Okay, so the first one is Octokn Gaming. So Octokn Gaming, I mentioned this in a video a couple of months ago, and it was roughly 4 cents. So we're on the 10th of July. Yeah, so it's 4 US cents. So it's already at it's at two to 3 US cents. So it has gone down, and I think this is a medium to long term hold. It's a $9 million market cap. It has some fun games on the App Store. So I'll just quickly go on to the video, the website now, just to show you some of the games on here. So you got NFTs as well, but it just shows about the app. It's got some really good feedback on here. It's got a Discord for exclusive prizes and events, and these are some of the games. So the next one I want to go on to is Open Fabric. So Open Fabric is an AI project. The ticker is OFN, and it's an $11 million market cap. So I'll go into more detail since I've already mentioned about Octokn Gaming before. That's why I kind of glossed over it. I was buying up through KuCoin. So $11 million market cap for Open Fabric AI. 460,000 24-hour trading. So this is, I would say, this is quite high risk, but this is what could give you the gains for like a long-term hold. The markets is available on KuCoin, MEXC. You can also buy it through Pancake Swap as well. So I'd buy this through MEXC. Typically, that's how I would buy it. So I'll go on to the website now. So please do further research. There is quite a lot on this website, which is a good thing because that way it shows that there's a lot of investment in the project itself. And it looks like there's some kind of AI products coming soon. So there's like a drug discovery, so like for just for general health, trading, like just on here, 3D model generator. Like a sound fabric, I guess maybe that might be music or something, or QR codes, meme generators, and artifact AI bot. So naturally, I went on to the trading one, just for example. So I guess each one will have its own kind of explainer. So please do further research, have a read through in your own time. And I went on to the YouTube video as well, and just explaining about the kind of different cryptos that it would you could use for trading, sorry. So it says AI-powered trading bots offer significant advantages in analyzing vast amount of market data. This is the thing, like information overload. You just want AI to do that for you, because they excel at identifying patterns and trends that might not be readily noticeable to human traders. Okay, so basically taking out the guesswork from that. So, and this is just one of their products. I'm really bullish on this, and I think this could be like a great time to buy because as you can see, like the past few months, it has gone down from over 88 cents, and now it's 18. So maybe this could be like a 5 to 10x within the next 6 months or so, 5 6 months. That's what I think. Just whenever like the bull run like comes full level when we start seeing AI go back into this. Now, okay, this was that page. There is also So this was community. Yeah, there's news. I always wanted to mention the news just before I forget as well. So just has more on this to keep updated. I'll just scroll down. Yeah, so there's community, scalability, and investment. So just lowering the infrastructure demand, technical know-how to utilize AI apps. So this pretty much has everything in it, which I really like. But I will go onto the memes because the meme asset class, or kind of category, I should say, within crypto is performing really well. So I just want to touch on this, and I do have two bonus ones I want to talk about, which are not on these things. So Gigachad, I mentioned this in the video I uploaded yesterday. There is an ETH version of this, which is very new, like 2-3 days old. That's very high risk, but you know, this could still do well. Probably do another 5-10x maybe from here, possibly. Maybe another 5x. I think is realistic. But the ETH version, if the ETH version kind of copies this, now is a good time to buy. So you can just search on here, Giga, um, on here. So yeah, I did mention this in my previous video, but since you're here, I'll just show you. Um, it's only been listed on here on the, oh, well, this says 9th of July on there. Now, onto the kind of more established memes is Brett. Brett is on the base chain. It's done really well. Um, and it's like over $1 billion market cap. And this has been really kind of pushed by Crash on X, Twitter, and it's been covered by a lot of YouTubers already. So I know like Superman talks about Brett, and because I mean, this is all from the Boys Club, so you can get this from even on exchanges like KuCoin. So I would like buy this through Uniswap. Like I connect my MetaMask, I'd use Uniswap. So effectively, I would buy Ethereum, send the Ethereum to my MetaMask via the base chain, then use Uniswap to actually buy Brett. There is another one called Andy, which has a lower market cap. So if you think this is too late, there's another one called Andy, which is another good one. So there's Andy ETH, Andy Blast. So this is the Andy on base. There's also a Sol one. And there's Chinese Andy. Yeah, so this is much lower market cap, 12 million market cap. So this could basically be like a 80x, if it 80 to 90x if it reaches the same kind of market cap as Brett, if my maths is correct. Again, I'll just use Uniswap for that. This one, now the thumbnail is the wrong Pei Pei. So yeah, so if you type in Pei Pei or Pei Pei, my designer put this thumbnail. So this one is incorrect. So this one should be like a kind of dead project. Yeah, so naturally you don't want to buy this because there's next to no volume on here anyway. So just I will put the contract address below in the description. So you want to look at this one and decide if it's right for you. $133 million market cap. It's performed quite well. Past 14 days, it's almost 5x. And it's got a really good website as well. Really good branding. So you kind of got like that kind of Chinese Pei Pei. That's basically what it is. It's a Chinese Pei Pei. So Pei Pei. Again, this all memes are high risk. So you do your own research. Now we're going to talk about two bonus ones. So let's get the silly one, ridiculous one out the way, which I've seen has been trending. I think it's done a 5x recently. Oh, if I had to spell it correctly. Is Chud Jack, Chud. So this is trending, and I think it's done 5x if memory serves me well. Oh no, no, maybe not, but maybe it can do in the future, or like from here to there, maybe a 5-10x. $19 million market cap. It's on the Solana chains, so Solana is really good for memes. And the thing is with the Solana chain, memes especially, is there's quite a lot of pumps and dumps. So it's good to see that this has been around for a few months, and that is quite good because there are some meme coins that just last days or weeks or even hours. So this could be one for you. It's just got let me put this down on here. Can I put this down? Yeah, I'll put this on mute because when I go to the website on here, it's quite loud. We'll see there's a mute button on here. It might not even do this. Oh, yeah. So this is the website. And one which has been trending is called Water. And I think this, even though it kind of has a bit of a meme characteristic, there is that charity aspect to it. $63 million market cap, healthy trading, 24-hour value of 23 million. So it's only been out, well, or at least listed on CoinGecko toward the end of June. As you can get this from various exchange, like these different exchanges, but I would use Radium on here. So I would buy Solana, send a Solana to my Phantom wallet, and then I could use Radium to swap it. Um, or well, I kind of use a Telegram bot to be honest with you. So what I would do is, if you are using a Telegram bot, it might be safer to send a Solana to your Phantom wallet, then from your Phantom wallet, send it to a Telegram bot, and then buy using the contract address below. Um, I will try to remember to post all of the contract addresses in the description below. But this has got a fantastic website, fantastic calls, and we all need water. And water scarcity is something that is causing a lot of tension around the world, and you know we should all be helping each other. And what's more than this, because there have been some really noble ideas and charity aspects to some projects. Like I have I've covered Ahmed on Soul, which has a charity aspect to it. I've seen like Rescue, which was there to help animals. But this kind of graphic, it reminds me of what's it, the sip cups. I think was that from Sui. But yeah, so you can buy this on a decentralized exchange like Radium, the OKX Dex, Jupiter, or you can buy it on centralized exchanges like Mexi or Bitmart. Just make sure that you can use those exchanges. So if I was to use a centralized exchange, Mexi would be great for me, but you have to see what works for you in your country. Yeah, so you drink it every day. It's scarce, same as Bitcoin. Tastes great when you're thirsty. It's a vital component of life in our universe, and you definitely need some water after you've had too much alcohol. That's what it says here. So charity first. Um, Research initiatives that will drive attention of millions of people. Water aims to have a net positive impact on real world with the help of charity. And the good thing is there's no perpetual trading, so to prevent market manipulation and just to reduce volatility. Well, it says heavy pre-sale limits, so that's good. Vested partners and key opinion leaders. All of our top partners are limited with publicly visible token vesting. That's good. And so had several listings pre-agreed with top-tier exchanges with amazing liquidity and features. And there's also, if you hold these water tokens, you've got a chance to win these prizes, and these getaways, a world cruise, Iceland geezers. Yeah, so this is the roadmap. This is something that I think I can seriously see myself buying this on a continual on a basis. Yeah, so I just love this really. So it's got their roadmap here. So I think you should still do further research and let me know what you think of these projects. Comment in the comment section below what you are buying. Leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already.